everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I am here to announce our winner for our January contest that we have. So as you know, we had a giveaway for one of these smart pots. So these are the Big Bag Bed Juniors, or they've been renamed the Round Raised Beds too. This one is amazing. I love this one. It is a 50-gallon smart pot, and as you can see, it's really good size. And I love these, especially for our garden. They don't take up too much space, but they add a lot of growing room. I love doing like lettuce, spinach, kale, things like that. I love doing greens in these. They're also really good for herb gardens too. We had a really nice herb garden in one of these before. So I am going to go ahead and announce the winner for this contest. So as you know, you could be entered as many times as you commented, up to 1 comment per video. And this person commented and seemed to watch all of our videos. This was Edith Skillings. I'm gonna put her name down on the bottom as well, so that way you can see it. So she is the lucky winner of this smart pot. So Edith, all you need to do is to email me at info@seedtospoon.net and send me your address that you want this shipped to, and I will send it out as soon as I get that. So don't worry if you didn't win this time. We have a new contest that I am about to announce, and it is going to be a very good one. So stay tuned for the February contest that I am going to be putting a video out here shortly about. So make sure that you stay tuned and look for that one. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I will see you in the next video.